money.
What are you doing here?
Oh. I can't say about Danny Papa and Chayende.
Just tell me when you're going to give up, because I don't understand. Like, what else do you want from me? If you want me to leave the house, tell me. I'll pack out and go.
Oh.
Because I don't know what you want me to do now.
I can't say I come there now. Also, baby.
Everything is a joke to you. What if you're joking? Like, I don't even know if you're joking or you're serious. I just can't tell. Like, we are going now. Let me help.
Stop being childish and come and feed the baby.
But what? Stop that. What's wrong with you?
Come on.
At this point, what exactly do you want me to do now? Because I don't know.
Exactly this. Come here. Hey. Stop that.
You need a man. Let's get you a man. You say no.
You are a man. I know.
Hey, stop. Now.
Bella, I called you today because there's something going on in this house which I don't like. What is it between you two that you are always quarreling or fighting?
Auntie, I said there's nothing going on. There's nothing going on between us.
Prince, you guys are practically siblings. And the kind of picture I envisioned is not what I'm seeing. You guys are always squabbling about something.
Auntie, I told you, is there something going on? There's no problem. It's just one or two misunderstandings that come along the line, that's all.
At first, it was about Bella disrespecting your girlfriend. But as at now, that issue has been removed.
Auntie, I don't want to talk about it. I don't even know why you're going to bring that issue up.
No, seriously. But I am serious because I can sense some sort of animosity still lingering between you two.
Mom, there's nothing going on between us. We are cool. We are siblings. At least one or two things we may argue about one or two things, but that's it.
Your eyes are even giving you out. You cannot even look at Bella straight in the eyes. Bella, your eyes are not even connecting. The eyes don't lie, you know.
Mom, what is it? Prince.
There is nothing wrong, Auntie. She's been telling you there's nothing wrong. There's no problem.
No, wait. Who is feeding you with this false information? I hope it's not...
Moral, he's the one. It's Moral who's doing that. He's the one.
I'm sure he's the one feeding you with these false information.
No, but why would you think it's Moral who's been feeding you?
Who else is in the house?
No, is there something Moral knows that I don't know?
I wonder. There's nothing going on. There's nothing, Mom. Chill.
I am totally not convinced. But as at now, I'll leave things as it is. If I find out you two are hiding anything from me, I swear to God, all hell is gonna break loose in this house. You. Na monka ihu say akola boni obeto penny boni. You.
Do you want to kill your mom? Do you want to kill your mom? Reason up before it gets too late. Reason up. Look at what you're putting your parents through. Shame on you. Shame on you.
Shame on you too.
What?
Shame on you.
What have I done?
See the way you are pretending. Hey, there's nothing going on.
Is this something good? Is this something good? Do I know what you're doing? Do I know what you're up to?
Bella.
Please.
Come and help me in the kitchen.
Okay, mommy, I'm coming.
Go.
Oh yeah. As someone who can, honestly speaking, I am one kakra. And surprisingly, no, me nim kwaya ofa so oba ha sei. If I cho obi na kire wa na asese.
She, kwan me fast who had the who here. The who here is in my back and I'm waha. Just listen to what I.
And besides, just a madwan bebre.
How? I just accepted your proposal. That's all. So
You
just
see,
confirm it.
initially no, from first day me ma approach you several times. Men kai kra no, be 3 times. Ama chese me kasa ho kra na uni adaje a odi chi me. U kasa che me anyhow. E true me ye me basa. The last time come me be if you head the other me dey me. So I can't tell say bana wa ba ha no say set up say o ma me so na small say the spine be hu ba bi a me che na china bi no ma ba chi me hu say den hu.
Don't say that.
The whole concept in Mentia
See, you mean mommy free has said, we are mainly on the and before I even proceed, me sorry for the mere woman why I missed you. But me, and you my fault. I was really going through a lot and I had to deal with that before accepting it. Thank you. So it's not my fault. Okay, so I'm sorry. I want things to work out between us. I'm really into you.
You be kind of someone say at the end of done. And say I mean still na me myself like
How? Say who approached me with love? You were interested, so what changed? Please accept me.
as you see in Metiasia, una pay me.
Okay, let's take it like that.
Me the any can me choko kakra but you see no. On about forward how pay me.
Okay, let's say yes. Please.
Honestly speaking, many you ho. Se bi o many nyo ho a and comment out sa kwan so. But you see, you know, now mama adwan bebre. But all the same so no. Me the Nyankopon say wa approach me. So parents, you know, how am I going to deal with them?
No, leave my parents to me. I've already told them I found someone that I love. And they're really happy about it. Into Omokra they're not no. Don't even involve them. Concentrate on me, okay? Leave my parents out of this. What I say is fine now, okay? I don't even mind spending time with you. I mean, even staying here till tomorrow, I don't mind. I'm just into you. I love you. I wanna just let me hear what I want to hear, please.
Mecanic say I feel on my be doing come so And they mean to me my own ha. And I won't send them in so beba into my shadow crazy mechi. Into no dear, you beg change contact. Now I call. Be able communicate. Why? I be Taro say.
Oh, like take it off.
Yeah, my wine.
So I should leave here thinking you've accepted my,
Oh dear. Say you be doing come on. Matthias, you're my comment.
Get to know who you are in Christ. And the only way you can get to know, the only way you can discover yourself is by searching the scriptures. Prophecy is good, but the word is above. Do you want to live forever? Grasp the word. Do you want to do great things? Grasp the word. Same type of snake, same venom, killed many. They are waiting for Paul to die. They waited and waited. And you see, as this knowledge of God's word enter your spirit, what your enemies waited for others to die in the family, they will wait for you and you will not die, but you will live to declare the works of God.
So what at all does morale do in this house? Has he not seen the police dirty? Huh? Why are you giggling? You are giggling like a little child. What is it? Huh? What is it? Unless you elaborate
Yes,
further.
Mommy.
No, I cannot. Unless you tell me. What is it? Huh?
Okay.
Spell it out, girl.
I found a boyfriend now, and very soon I'll be introducing him to you.
Excuse me.
You heard me, Mommy.
What did you just say?
Yes, exactly what you heard.
Oh, Holy Mary. Mother of Christ. And when are you bringing that fortunate young man?
Very soon.
Look, Bella, I've been expecting this day since God knows when.
And the time is here, so.
So tell me, who is he? Who is that man? Who is that young guy? Is he a man or your age group? What does he do? What does he look like?
Mommy.
Huh?
Wait, let me bring him. Wait, I can't talk much about him right now, so just anticipate. Let me bring him home.
My dear,
Yes, Mom.
does he make you happy?
Of course. Yeah.
You know why I've been with your father all these years? Because your father goes out of his way to make me happy. My needs are paramount to him. So as an advice from a mother to a daughter, seek your peace of mind first. To hell with love, to hell with physical attributes. If the man gives you peace and makes you happy, go for him. Okay?
Yes, Mom.
And you know, you be my only daughter. Your happiness too is paramount to me. So anything you choose, I will have no qualms to accept it.
Thank you, Mom. You would like him.
Really?
Yeah.
I trust you. I know you're going for the best.
Yep.
I do trust you.
That's why I'm
Yay! I am happy now. Yay! At long last, I am going to meet my in-law at home. To my incoming son-in-law. Prince, I am getting sick and tired of your attitude in this house. Today you are cold, tomorrow you are warm. What is happening? Huh? I don't know.
Auntie, nothing. There's nothing going on.
Were you not the same person who went to your uncle and said you wanted to go and look after his affairs in the northern region? So why have you changed your mind suddenly about going to Tamale? Huh?
Auntie,
Auntie, what?
I'll go. I just want to wait a little while. I'll go. I didn't say.
No. Do you know the sort of preparation he set in motion? Huh? I don't want to term you ungrateful.
Auntie, I'll go.
But my husband has taken you like a son. If not in this house, nobody outside knows he's not your father. So why are you being a disappointment to that man? Do you know the sort of plans the man has for you? He has plans for you and Bella. He has plans for you to relocate abroad and pursue your own path in life. So why don't you humor him and do something for him in return?
Auntie, I'm saying I'll go. I just want to wait a little while. I'll go. It's not that I don't want to go anymore. I'll go there. I just want to see to one or two things here first before I go. That's all.
Prince, do you know he's contacted all his political friends that his son is coming to the northern region? So what is he going to tell them now? Why the sudden change of mind? Tell me, what is up with you? Huh?
Auntie, I'll go. I'll go. I just need a little time. That's all. I'll go.
So if you knew you were undecided, why did you broach the subject to him then? Huh?
Auntie, I was, but something just came up, so I just want to wait a while. That's all.
So what do you want me to tell him now?
That I'll go, but...
When are you leaving? You go by what? What exactly made you change your mind? Huh? Is there something you're not telling me? Huh? No, your emotions has been in shambles nowadays in this house. What is up with you? Are you okay?
I'm fine, Auntie, I'm fine.
No, depression is real. If you think you are going through some sort of trauma, just tell me. Huh? Yes. What is it you're not telling me? Huh? Why can't you open up to me? Hello?
Auntie, that's not...
There is something definitely wrong with you. This is not the prince I know.
Auntie, I'm fine, okay? I'm fine. I'll figure it out.
No, you are not even articulating your sentences. This shows you are confused.
I'm not confused, I'm fine. I'll just figure whatever it is out. I'm fine.
Washui Edding. I also have a brown. You be sumuma. Ako factory settings. What it? Back to factory settings. They won't come if you are. Won't come.
I wish I could tell you what your daughter has done.
On January 7th, I found myself mindlessly scrolling through my Twitter feed, and while I scrolled down, I came across an account named Naya. Her profile picture caught my attention, and I found myself gazing at it. I said to myself, oh my God. This girl is gorgeous.
How many do you have on Instagram?
Why are you exaggerating? I don't have any.
Facebook.
Tease.
How many? Tell me.
You know I don't date. I'm just entertaining them.
If you want to sleep, then you can sleep. I'm sure you have another way you're going to get your transportation to go and write your exam for.
Maya, I know you don't care. It's a hit and run movement you've been doing. What are you talking about?
Tell everybody I hit and run.
Of course.
Chagai, the level he play, that be all. He play, that be all. See.
I don't know what is wrong with my cousin. I asked him for some money to fulfill my exam bills next week. He promised to give it to me, but then I don't know why he's acting all up.
Opa okwan wa kire nse nipa na nka obegiska ono ono oban na esu opi obo obefro obe keep waiting ade be sa no obeda na onya ho atwa adwuma no a simple move.
No, I've moved on, so you don't have to be sorry.
Oh, sorry. I hope you're good. Oh, solid.
Baba God.
Anytime you feel no be magnificent. Obefu biano, anya airtime, send Mr. Mami.
That's my favorite color.